Wonderland. Today I'm going to make a yummy, rich and delicious cream cheese. So let's go to the video. First of all, in a heavy bottomed pan, take 4 cups of full fat milk. Now switch on the flame and let it boil. Stir constantly. It is boiling. Now switch off the flame. Now gradually add 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Now it starts to curdle. Now we can strain it. Now wash with cold water. Squeeze out the excess water. Now put it into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon butter and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Blend everything into a smooth paste. Yummy, rich and delicious cream cheese is ready. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this and